So we got some. Oh, what do we got here? We got some prime rib going on. We got some shrimp going on here. Some shrimp. Give them a couple seconds. Get them some octopus. We'll get a little octopus in here. Oh, that's a nice big one. Look, see, octopus. Some mushroom. So we got some Korean barbecues going on here. We got some soup going here. Just threw some mushrooms in there, a little bit of heat, and make some pause back and forth. We're gonna make a nice little medium rare steak here. Our shrimp is coming up. Look at that. Nice little pink shrimp coming in. There's some octopus again. That's just about there. Hey, welcome to the Korean barbecue. We're on.